Today we will continue with informative writing. We're on the third text type, which is compare and contrast. Just as we have previously, I'm going to have you do a brainstorm before you start writing today. You're going to set up a Venn diagram modeled over here on the right for you. And then I'm going to have you go on a bit of a scavenger hunt around your house and find two items. Could be two pieces of food, could be two different pens, could be two pillows. You get the idea. It could be really anything. Maybe two people you've been spending a little bit too much time with. It could also be something that you don't see, something like songs or shows, things that you can't really set up side by side, but just find two things that you enjoy talking or writing about, and then set them up into your Venn diagram, one on one circle and one for the other circle. For your brainstorm, just start to list as many different ways as you can of how they are different that will go in the larger part of each circle, one item for each circle, and then how they are the same that will go in the part of the circles that will overlap. Once you've created a pretty good list, you're satisfied by your list, you'll go ahead and set your timer for 7 minutes and 42 seconds and start to write out your list into paragraph form. Happy writing.